Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trendsetter Outdoors. So today I just got off work, so I'm about to fish Quartz Creek, which is a public section about a mile long south of where I work. So I'm just gonna give it a shot. You know, this is my first time, fishing moving water, but it is raining right now, so I'm probably not gonna have the GoPro on because it's not waterproof or water resistant like the newer ones than the older model. So I'll put the GoPro on whenever when it clears out right here, which it should. I mean, it's just one big cloud right here, so should clear out sometime soon. But I'm gonna throw my waders on, I'm gonna get rigged up, and I'm gonna see if we can catch a fish. If I do catch a fish, I'll make sure to record it on my phone or something quick. Either way, I'm gonna get my waders on. Let's get to fishing. Alright, so I'm in the stream now. I just caught my first fish. The rain has stopped. I can see them rising right in front of me. There he is. Just catching these little dinks right here. Oh, came off. But yeah, that's what we're going for. I see some bigger ones jumping for my floaty stuff on there. And it's thundering still. Oh, he got it again. Oh, this is a better fish. Oh, he came off. Nope, he's still on. There we go. Better brown right there. Look at that. Little brown trout. All right, here you go, bud. They're in this little hole up here. Oh, my hands are slimy. This little slack water area. So I'm just trying to, I see some coming up and hitting. So that's what I'm trying to throw at. There he is. Oh, he spit it out. Okay, one hit it. Ah, let go of it. See if he goes for it again. I think I just need to get a better hook set. Okay, now that I'm done with that fiasco, I need to learn friggin' how to tie my connection knots better. But now the sun's out, may be able to see some of these fish. Well, busted my knot and lost a fly. All right, I'm freaking gonna do this right this time. Hopefully that's the last time I'm doing this stuff. I put a bunch of tippet on. I should be good to go. Alright, so I think there's a trail here and I think it goes exactly where I want it to go. Lots of wild fruit out here. Wild berries. Blueberries, blackberries. This water's just going, moving fast. Trick is to find the slowest water I can. This used to be an old mine powerhouse. Trail that goes around here. I don't know where it exits out though. Hopefully it makes it downhill. I'm trying to work going uphill. I think I need to go back around. So this right here used to power an old mine that's around this hill called the Roosevelt Mine. And it was named after Teddy Roosevelt, who is the mine owner's favorite president. But sadly in the 1930s when the Depression hit, it just shut down. It didn't produce anything to keep it in business. Now I think we're cooking. See if I can hit anything and, oh come on. Did I really lose another fly? Freaking lost my connection knot. Well, tie a new fly on. I'm not gonna tie on any more tippet. You know what? I will. I'm gonna fish till 6 o'clock. Now I'm done with that little fiasco. Now I can hopefully just get to fishing. All right, that's all the time for today. Alright, so I only found them at that one hole. That was it. I only found them at that one hole. Couldn't find them anyplace else, couldn't see them feeding. It was just after that rain stopped, they started feeding on the insects that are coming up, but it did not last long. So anyway, that was Quartz Creek. There's several other public access places on there, so I'll definitely want to try that out. But this place is just nice just because it's, it's just down the street from where I work. So hopefully I can come out here again. It's rained the past few days and it's just the water going really fast. You can't find a lot of really good water, slower water, I should say. But I mean, that's kind of the deal. Get all my stuff together real quick. Still figuring out the best way to carry all my stuff, keep it easily accessible. My system now works. The more it's the deal where, the more I go out, the more I'll know. So I'm gonna get these waders off. Gonna go home, get me some food, but also Look at these stickers right here, $5 a pop, straight to your door. $5 straight to you. And so I hope you get one. Help support the channel. Help support everything I do. All the money goes right back into getting content for you guys. But either way, I'm gonna sign off right there. I'm gonna be doing more stream fishing in the future. So like and comment if you want to see more of that. What kind of other stuff would you like to see fly fishing wise? I'm gonna be doing a lot of it. Subscribe to the channel if you want more outdoor adventures. Join the trend, spread the passion for the outdoors. We'll see you in the next one.